If you want to be a good driver, you must pay close attention to this content. In this video, you will learn how to drive properly and safely. Let's get started. First scenario, you can see an intersection where vehicles on the main road are moving freely, while a blue car is trying to enter the main road. What should you do? The blue car must always stop at the designated point. Then, it must give way to all vehicles on the main road and allow them to pass. Only after all cars have passed, and after carefully checking that the road is clear, can the driver safely enter the main road. Next scenario. The road is curved with a solid line in the middle. This solid line does not allow overtaking. If a driver attempts to overtake on a curve, they are making a serious mistake. In this case, the driver continues trying to overtake, which is dangerous and not recommended. This behavior can result in a fine. Now let's look at a roundabout. 4 cars arrive at the same time. How should this be handled? All cars should enter one after another, following a proper sequence. This helps prevent accidents and keeps traffic flowing smoothly. Always follow roundabout rules to avoid congestion and ensure safety. Next situation, there's an intersection where a truck on the main road wants to turn left. At the same time, a purple car wants to turn right, and a white car is positioned too close within its lane. What should be done? The white car must reverse slightly to give space to the truck, as trucks often need more room and may occupy 2 lanes when turning. After giving enough space, each driver can continue safely. Now consider a 4-way stop. Pedestrians always have priority. All cars must stop at the marked lines and allow pedestrians to cross safely. After that, vehicles proceed in order, usually based on who arrived first, and cross the intersection carefully. There's also a situation where a truck tries to pass through without stopping at a 4-way stop. This is incorrect. The driver must stop completely, check for other vehicles, and then proceed safely. Next scenario. A stop sign is present. It is mandatory to stop, check for oncoming traffic, and only proceed when the road is clear. If another vehicle is approaching, you must wait and give way before continuing. However, for a vehicle coming from the main road and turning off, the situation is different. That driver does not have a stop sign and can continue without stopping, as they are already on the main road. Now consider a road where one side merges with another, and part of it is unpaved. One car must wait for the other to complete the turn first, as the curve is too tight for both vehicles to pass at the same time. This prevents collisions. Next situation, a blue car and a fire truck. Even if the blue car has priority, it must give way to the fire truck, as emergency vehicles always have priority. After the fire truck passes, the blue car can continue safely. Now consider an intersection without clear stop signs, but functioning like a four-way stop. In this case, the rule is simple. The first vehicle to arrive is the first to go. Always check carefully before crossing. Next, we have a three-way intersection. A white car wants to turn left. A purple car wants to go straight. A red car also wants to go straight. And a blue car wants to turn right. The white car must wait for the others to pass first. Only after ensuring the road is clear can it proceed safely. Now, let's talk about pedestrian crossings. On a two-lane road with a pedestrian crossing, drivers must stop and allow pedestrians to cross completely. If more pedestrians are approaching, you must continue waiting until everyone has crossed safely. Only then can you proceed. Finally, we have parked vehicles trying to re-enter the road. Each driver must check carefully for oncoming traffic before moving. If the road is clear, they can enter. The red car must also check before entering. However, the blue car must not enter if it is not safe to do so. Following these rules will help you avoid accidents and become a safer, more responsible driver.